If you're looking to find the best way to allocate your budget based on various goals, you can easily set that up and see those suggestions in Adalysis. So if we go to our monthly target, we click Edit on our target, and we must have a target set. So we can choose the option, Show Recommended Changes to the campaign budget settings. Now here, we need to go down to our performance goal, and we choose how we want our budget to be split based upon our goal. So for the campaigns included, we want to maximize impressions, minimize CPA, split it equally, and so forth. If you have days where campaigns have not been active, you'll have this option for split budget across. And that means active days only. So if you're using ad scheduling and you have your ads turned off on the weekends, you want to use this option so we exclude the days those campaigns aren't active in determining budgets. If the reason you have no spend days is because the campaigns are brand new and they just don't have history, then you can use all remaining days in the month. You can always hover over the tooltips for more data. Then you'll calculate your budget splits. We're going to look at how has the budget performed and what is the goal. So if you have, say, competitor campaigns and you don't want to spend over certain amounts, you could set minimums and maximums for a campaign. So what's common is that minimums for brand and maximums for competitor campaigns and so forth. Make any adjustments that we won't go under or over those particular settings. Then we can apply the new target budgets. Now, by doing this, you will make changes to your current budgets, right? Well, we can proceed, and now we've changed all of our budgets based upon that goal. Now, this is account level. If we go to our budget groups, we can add budget groups for allocation purposes. An allocation can be used both for just determining splits or even automatically managing your budgets. We don't have to use auto manage to use the budget splits. So we could say we have made this budget group. We can go in and look at what our monthly target is. So again, we would choose what is our overall goal type, how do we split the budget, and then calculate those budget splits with the same options to go ahead and do minimums and maximums by budget. So when you're looking for ways to see how your budget should be split up based upon various goal types, you can just use the recommended changes to calculate those splits. Now, if you're going to use auto manage, which we'll cover in another video, then you definitely want to use the calculated splits first. So we have a starting place based upon the goals you're managing to with auto management.